probably deep enough if you want to do this.
Team Rubicon is a disaster response organization that utilizes the skill sets of veterans and first responders to rapidly deploy to disaster zones all throughout the world.
It started out after the Haiti earthquake with 8 individuals, and it's grown to almost 85,000 volunteers.
Hurricane Harvey was an eye-opener for us in terms of our volunteer management system needs. It was a catalyst. We witnessed so many inefficiencies, systems just breaking down, and we couldn't just deploy folks in a normal way.
Trying to keep track of 85,000 volunteers is not an easy task. That's when innovation had to happen.
We've decided to build something from the ground up, really in an enterprise capacity with Microsoft.
We need to make an investment and make sure that we've got the right partners. Microsoft made the investment, Team Rubicon made the investment, and it all pointed towards Wipfli. They were able to bring the expertise we needed.
The core engine of this entire volunteer management system is the Dynamics 365 platform. Wipfli's job is to help them implement these services.
Microsoft Dynamics 365 is our heartbeat. Azure, Office 365, and Teams. Every one of those pieces comes together in an incredible manner.
You start to build a greater awareness and understanding of every component of the operation. The people, the costs, the time it takes to do a task.
Not only can you get people out the door and on the ground to help people faster, but you can ensure that they're willing to come back and do it again.
When we started talking about this opportunity to create a volunteer management system, one of the things that was in the back of everybody's mind, we want to create a tide that lifts all the boats. Every nonprofit that touches this should be able to do things better. Every volunteer that engages across the world finds benefit because someone has started this spark, and hopefully it's something that grows around the world.
There are so many organizations that rely on volunteers in this country, not just in disaster response, but across every sector of the nonprofit industry.
You have this open source model where all of us are contributing to each other's success. This is just the beginning.
If we can help 100 or 1,000 nonprofits with the same work, all to create this positive impact, not just for the Team Rubicon survivors, but also for the entire nonprofit sector.
When you talk about potential, it's Microsoft, and it's Wipfli, and it's Team Rubicon, and it's this aspiration to simply help more people.